Hey, this is just another video. So I'm gonna paint this all in this wallpaper. This is vinyl. I'm gonna put new vinyl down. Guess the whole ceiling up here needs to be painted. Gonna remove that dishwasher and put in a new dishwasher. Leaving the cabinets the same. That's gonna have to be painted. Gonna paint this, and I'm putting a backsplash here. Carpet, no, this is laminate, this whole section. He said, replace the tiles up here, just with some new ones. Just paint. Gonna just paint this. This is a chipped tile piece. Just replace that. I'm gonna put a different vinyl floor here. This is the master. He said this whole ceiling was gonna have to be taken down and put back up and painted. Paint this whole room. Carpet change. Doorknob here. Can't see it, it's just a doorknob. Just paint. We could put a cover here, that would be great. This bathroom I'm okay with. The only thing is this little chip right here. Put a vent cover here. And this is just a little drywall repair. Some paint. Paint all of this. Carpet. I'm gonna leave this, I like it, it's in good shape. Probably just might paint in here. Some caulking right there. A shower head right there. Carpet in here. Carpet in here. Carpet in here. Paint. Probably have to paint the whole ceiling because that's spotted. I do want to paint this door and that. Carpet. A vent cover. Replace the tile. Not sure what's going on up here. It's just some staples. But if it's not gonna cost too much extra, just put some drywall up there and just paint it. And doorbell's not working.